Hello everyone, I'm Andrea and I want to share with you something truly exciting I have been working on. I started a new YouTube channel called Garden of Creation and it's dedicated to something close to my heart, the magic of manifestation, and I want to invite you to come over and check out my new videos. I just finished filming my latest called If You Can Sense the Magic Your Desire Brings, It's Already on Its Way, where I talk about remembering how true desire feels like, about manifestation being allowing what's already connected to you on a deeper level to reveal itself to you, and to remember some really powerful things that in time we may have forgotten. On my new channel, you will find a lot of videos about manifestation, law of attraction, and mindset shifting. I'm sharing techniques, exercises, and practices to assist you in your manifestation journey. So if you want to join me, I'd love to see you over my new channel. Just click in the link below to check it out and make sure you subscribe for more content that's all about transforming your desires into reality. Thank you all for being part of the journey with me, and I can't wait to see you over there. Bye.